बोला नहीं
वैगनर थोड़ी बोला मैं.
What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Yay!
So as you guys already know, today we'll be going for a quick trip to Lingya Ghat. Let's go!
Woo! Stopped on the way. Yeah, before we go ahead, haven't stopped since morning. Nice and good.
We reached and just parked the car, and now we are on our way to the waterfall.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, ooh, them drone shots. Check. We've reached the waterfall, but now, yeah, there's a lot of fog, so really we can't see anything. The fog is too much. Can't get the view. Done with the waterfall, and couldn't take out much videos because it's raining too much, the wind is pushing the waterfall, and yeah, everything's wet. I mean, okay. Cool, let's go back out now, and yeah, that's it.
Whoa, what's up guys?
Yeah, a little bit disappointed though, didn't get to see the views. This is the second time I'm coming here and again no views. Yeah, you also second time, yeah. Fuck. Finally one vlog is happening, guys. If you all don't know, I started vlogging on the Himachal trip. and after day 1 I forgot to vlog. So I have like half a day's worth of vlogs there. That never got posted. Maybe sometime soon in like a blooper edition of vlog. But yeah, done for now. फोन ब्रो तो बोलता इधर ही छोड़ दो एक एक स्टेप आप भी लेके जा रहा है मालूम Chinese कौन ले गया ना? Yeah, so now we are in Lavasa and yeah, just exploring the place since we had to pay 500, you know, for entry anyway. Here you go. But if you're visiting first time as a tourist, how do you find it? I mean, of course, everything is like fucking abandoned and shit. But yeah. Opinions, bro. He talks so much and now he's camera shy. And I'm ulta. I don't talk at all and I'm not shy in front of the camera. How do you like it, bro? One word answer. Cool. Let's go. So yeah, we just had something to eat. Now,
comfort food.
now all of us are really tired. So yeah, we're gonna be lazing around. I don't think any more plans for today. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching today's vlog. If you liked it, hit the
that subscribe and like button.
yeah
And hit that bell icon to receive those notifications.
yeah so that you can get updates on whenever we post a new vlog. But couldn't record it obviously because down there the water